This 2027 Jayco J Flight 225 MLSW is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 27 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleep 6, smoke detector, LP detector, awning, microwave, air conditioning, stovetop burner, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, skylight, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, mid-living area, rear bath, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Jayco J Flight 225 MLSW is 5,220 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.